And then we will later eat this with a good amount of water. In the morning, we may take some chapati or a dosha, idli or something like that with some chutney along with that. Then a glass of milk or 2 eggs. Right? Again, we will drink some water. When we eat, we will drink some water after that also. Okay, so these are the good food, which helps us to get energy to the body, to get the strength to our body, which protects our body from different kinds of diseases. Clear? So that is a good food. These food like pizzas, burgers, chips, sweet, soft drinks and all, they are okay, very good with the taste. They will be sweet, they will be crispy, they will be very yummy. But when it comes to the health of our body, they are of no use. They are not at all good for our body, and that is why these food items are called junk food. What we call them? Junk food. Junk food means useless food. What do you mean by junk food? Junk food means useless food. Okay? Yeah. So what kind of food should we eat? We should eat a balanced diet. Clear? Okay, so now I've told you we need to eat items like potatoes, rice, fish, meat and all. So how do we eat them? How can we eat them? Is it possible for us to eat as it is? For example, we go to the market, buy some apples or bananas or oranges or something like that, fruits. Okay, we buy some fruits and we bring the fruits to the home, we cut it or we peel it and then we eat it, isn't it? We cut apple into pieces, we eat it. Banana, we peel it and we eat it. Oranges, we peel it and we eat it. What about potato? Can we eat potato as it is? Can we eat potatoes? No, we cannot. Isn't it? Yeah. So some food items we can eat as it is, like usually fruits are eaten in the same way. Then vegetables, some of the vegetables is a problem. Like a potato or brinjal. Then we have fish, meat. How do we eat these things? And we have here fruits are there. Then in vegetables we can have a carrot, tomato, okra. Okra means lady's finger. We call it lady's finger. Okay. Then cucumber. So how are these two food items different from each other? Yeah. These items we can eat raw. Raw means without doing anything. Just wash it carefully. That is the only thing we need to do. Take an apple, wash it carefully, cut it and eat it. Orange and banana, we peel it, so we need not to wash it. Grapes, we need to wash very carefully. In the same way, we can take a carrot, wash it thoroughly and we can eat it. Cucumber, we can wash it, peel it and then slice it, eat it. We make salads, no? We make salads. So, there's a hot salads will have vegetables in that. Some cucumber will be there, some slices of carrots, onions, tomatoes, some mint leaves, or there's a coriander leaves sprinkled with the pepper and the salt on that. Sweet salads we make basically on the combinations of ice creams. Fruits will be chopped in pieces mixed with the ice creams. Okay, so Fruits, vegetables like a carrot, tomato, okra, cucumber, we can eat raw. But vegetables like potato, brinjal, or items like fish, meat, etc. Can we eat it raw without doing anything? No. Then what should we do? We need to cook it. Okay. So some food items we can eat raw. Raw means without cooking. Raw means without cooking. But some food items we need to cook. Okay. Some food items we have to cook. Without cooking we cannot eat them. Some food items even without cooking we can eat. Then why should we cook these items, food items? We cook these food items first, that will be made soft. Okay, cooking makes food items soft. Second, cooking makes tender. Tender means very soft. Right? Then cooking makes food items tasty. Because when we cook food, we add salt, spices, etc. Right? When we cook food, we add different kinds of salt, spices and all. So automatically they become very tasty. Right? And the fourth is easier for digestion. Easier for digestion. So we need to cook food specifically for these four reasons: to make food soft, to make food tender, to make food tasty, and to make food easier for digestion. Right? So some items, fruits, we need not cook at all. Okay, then we will categorize it further. Apple, banana, orange, watermelon. So these are basically fruits. These can be eaten raw. Right? Then items like carrot, tomato, okra, cucumber, then these items we can eat either raw or cooked, isn't it? Yes. So for example, sometimes our mother may make carrot halwa. Carrot halwa. So how is a halwa made? Yeah, carrot is cooked. When some mixed vegetable curries, definitely if we have to make egg curry, we use tomatoes in that, onions in that. Then some items are there like potatoes, brinjal, fish, meat, etc. They have to be cooked. So based on how we use the food items, based on how we use these items, they are divided or classified into three: raw or cooked, only cooked. Okay, so fruits are mostly in raw because we do not cook fruits. So items like apple, banana, orange, watermelon, other fruits we need not cook at all. Some food items like carrot, tomato, okra, cucumber, onion, we can eat either cooked or raw. Food items like potato, brinjal, fish, meat, etc. we have to cook. Then why do we cook food? Cooking makes food softer. Cooking makes food tender. Cooking makes food tasty, and cooking makes it easier for digestion. Okay, so food are categorized into three based on how we eat them. So fruits are eaten raw. Some vegetables can be cooked or eaten raw also. Some food items can be only eaten after cooking. Food items like potato, brinjal, fish, meat, etc. we can eat only after cooking. Right? Cooking makes the food softer, cooking makes the food tender, cooking makes the food tastier, and cooking helps in the digestion also. Right? Got the point? Now, people who eat food also can be classified, or these food items are of different types. We know we get food from both animals and plants, isn't it? Yeah, the food items we eat usually get from plants and animals. So, for example, vegetables,